Hello friend, this question is from the test 3 part test number 2. Subject name is analog electronics, topic name is BJT frequency response, BJT frequency response, 1 marks question. The question says that we have one common source amplifier with an internal resistance RS is equal to 300 ohms. Fine. Load resistance RD is equal to 20 kilo ohms. Parameter GM is given to us as 2 milli MHO or millisiemens. The RD is given as 20 kilo ohm, which is the load output resistance, device resistance, and our depletion capacitance is given to as CGD is 8 picofarad and CGS is 4 picofarad. Right. Question says that calculate the upper cutoff frequency. You need to calculate the upper cutoff frequency. So you know that in the friends, we know that in case of high frequencies, the effective capacitance is CM is CGS plus CGD times 1 plus GM RL, where RL is a load resistance, because in this case the question has defined the RD also, output impedance of the FET is also defined. So my RL will be nothing but RD parallel capital RD. Capital RD is a biasing resistor. Okay, if RD was not given, a small RD was not given, then we would have considered the capital RD as a load. But in this case, RD is also given, so we will take the parallel combination of both. Right, so we just take it as a 20k parallel 20k. So my RL will comes out as a 10k. Okay, rest we know the value of CGS, CGD. GM is also known, given to us as a 2 millisiemens. Put all values, calculate the CM. So my CM will comes out as 8 plus 4. Everything is in picofarad, so we'll calculate it in the picofarad only. 1 plus 2 into 10 is equal to 92 picofarad. So my effective pole, my capacitor comes out as a 92 picofarad. So we know that the time constant of my circuit will be CM into RS, source side resistance, that is 92 into RS value is given to us as a 300 ohm or 0.3 kilo ohms. It will be 92 into 0.3 will be 27.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 9 seconds. It will be 10 raised to the power 3, it will be 10 raised to the power minus 10. Total we will have 10 raised to the power minus 9. So my upper cutoff frequency will be 1 by time constant, that is 10 raised to the power 9 by 27.6 radian per second, or in the hertz you will find it as 10 raised to the power 9 upon 2 pi times 27.6, which term comes out as 5.7 megahertz. Right, so it is with the help of Miller's theorem we get this formula. Right, so it is a very important concept of the high frequency FET. Okay, nowadays FETs has a very more and more important weightage, and the topic of FET is getting more and more weightage in the gate, especially for ECE student. You will see that nowadays every time you will get the one problem from the BJT and the one problem from the FET also, in the small signal and in the DC analysis as well. So please consider the FET as a very important topic. Thank you.